Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your mirror on a Chevy Impala. So if your Impala look like this, it's going to be the same procedure on how to change your mirror. Alright, no matter if you have a 2019 or you have a 2015, it's going to be the same as to change it. You're going to need to come right here, which somebody already come right here already, so make it easier for me. Alright guys, so if you come here, you want to get your finger like right here. This is the door check, put your finger right here. You want to pull back on it. So you see, you notice my door is like this already because somebody been in it. So you just want to pull back and pull on the top. And this, what this gonna do is give you enough space to work on it right there. So get that off like that. Come right here, and there's a little clip right here you're gonna need to take out. I don't know if you can see this right here. There's gonna be this little clip right here you're gonna need to take out, okay? So in here right there you're gonna need a clip puller to pull this clip right there, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description for that also as well, okay? So once you remove that right there, you can go ahead and remove the rest like that. That's how you want to get it out. And if you look right here, get it to focus. If you look right here, that will be the clip I was talking about, this right here. Alright, so if you look right here, hope you can focus right here. Alright, so this right here, you just want to squeeze this and pull back on it to unplug that clip right there. As you see, take that out. I know, sorry for the blurry video. And the rest, these three gonna be 10mm, so you can use a wrench. It will go in easily into this tight area with a wrench. Okay. And once again, the link will be in the description for the tools and the parts if I find the part, but I will put the tools up there. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, help me help you. And the third one down here. So once you take that out, you just want to hold the mirror and take it out like that. So let me show you from a different angle. So right here, you want to lift the mirror from the bottom up like this. So go up and then out, because they have that little lip right there that go under here. Okay, so you want to go ahead and open this like this, open this like that. And just take this out. So these don't come painted. You might need to paint it, but let's get to the mirror since we're here for the mirror, and I will talk about that later down in the video. So same way you take it out, you want to put this part under first, like that. So put it under first and then go down like that. Alright, so let's get the 10mm and put them back into place. So be really careful not to drop them in the door panel, because that won't be nice. This, you don't need a torque spec, just try not to over tighten it. And that's it. So once you do that, you want to get your mirror and plug it back in. Your connector for the mirror, you want to plug that back in. This, you want to put it back the way you take it off. So you want to set it back properly. Make sure it goes under the rubber. So you want to make sure it goes back under the rubber like it's supposed to. So as you see right here, it goes back under the rubber like it's supposed to. And then this, you want to lock this back into place. Alright, so let's do that. So you want to make sure you line up all the holes where the clip go. Then you lock it into place. Once all the holes line up, then we can check the mirror to make sure the mirror moves. So the mirror moves in all directions, and that's good. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time. And before we go, let's see, let's put this on. Even though they're gonna have to take it back off to paint it. You just want to get your cover like this. So that's it, guys. Peace out. See you next time. So I guess the customer is happy with this color. This customer is happy with this color, even though I tell them it need to be painted. But because their car is black, they say they're not in a rush to paint it because the mirror come black. But they're gonna need to paint it later on down the road. So let me show you the other mirror. The other mirror is right here. You can see that it's painted. but it's not a big difference right there, as you can see. So thank you guys, peace out, see you next time.